Today I'm going to show you a quick trick if you're using Excel and you've got a large file, but maybe you don't have multiple screens to work with. So the good thing about this is you can easily create a split screen in your spreadsheet. So on and this works on other Office apps as well, Word, even on I think Acrobat. So if you go to View, there's an option to create a new window. And if you do this, you can manually drag this down and adjust it how you want. But if you go onto the View tab again, there's an option to arrange all. So if you click on this, you can decide how you want to arrange your windows. And if you've got multiple files open, you'll want to click the option to select Windows of the active workbook. So that way you're only making this change to the workbook you're on right now. So the most popular ones you're probably going to use are either going to be horizontal or vertical. So if I select horizontal and hit OK, now I've got a split screen, so I can scroll through here. So I can be in different places on the same sheet. I can go to a different tab and do the same thing. So this prevents you having to flip back and forth. If I go back to the arrange all, doesn't matter which window I'm on, and let's switch it to vertical. And so now, now I've got a side-by-side option. So depending on how you want to view your data, there's a lot of different ways that, you can do that. Most common, I guess, is going to be top and bottom or left and right. So even if you don't have multiple screens to work with, here's a way, you can still be able to have multiple views of the same file. And again, this works for other programs as well. The main thing is you just want to find that menu option to allow you to create a new window.